Everyone, this is Vicky with Vicky's Tiger Tales, and I know it's a little strange to see my coffee table with some items on it, but this is going to be the first video in a series that I may be doing called Dollar Store DIY. Today I am going to be doing a Mickey head wreath, but it's not going to have, you don't need a wreath form for this. I actually picked up at the dollar store a couple of items, and these are actually the only things that you're going to need is this wired cord. It is jute cord. It's 7.5 feet, and it's wired. So you can fashion this into the circles that you're going to need for this. I actually used 2 of these for this particular project, and this is berry garland. It's got these cute little like paper berries on it. I used 2 of these, and then I picked up this kind of burlap lace looking ribbon, and I formed the bow out of this. So set these aside. You're only going to be using those 3 things, a hot glue gun or E6000, whichever you prefer. And really, there's not much to do in this project at all. See, I just fashioned this jute cord into the circles. This is actually going to be one of the ears, and then I'm just pulling through. I've cut the berry garland in half, and I'm just wrapping it over itself and through the wire. And I cut this in half. It's probably, let me look and see. There is 9 feet of this, and just keep wrapping until the garland itself, this is wired as well, so until the garland itself is kind of wrapped around this jute wired ear form, it's completely covered. And I did it a couple of times just to kind of give it a little more of that berry look to it. It turned out super cute. I've got another ear already done, and I also got the main wreath form already done. Now, because this is wired and I'm kind of like wrapping it through itself, and the juke is also wired as well. I've not used any kind of form at all to wrap around anything because the wire's already in here. It's pretty stable. And then the more that you wrap this around it, it becomes, more rigid. So I like the way that the ears came out after doing so. Just keep wrapping until you've got a good amount of those berries on here. They had over at the dollar store, they had just plain white and green. And then they also had, I think, a red and an orange color, which I think would be really pretty for fall. But I wanted to kind of have something that was a little more year-round. I have recently started doing a redecorating project in my home, my entryway, and the decor I'm calling kind of a Disney farmhouse. It's got subtle Disney touches with the majority being more of a farmhouse feel. So because this is wired, you can just kind of wrap it into itself and have this really wonderful looking ear. So I'll show you, because I've done already the main part of it, and I already have kind of fashioned the bow. So here is the wreath itself. I haven't glued everything together yet because I'm not exactly sure where I want to put the bow, but this is what the final product's going to look like. And then the ribbon also is wired as well. And all I did was just tie a ribbon in this ribbon. I'm going to tie a bow in this ribbon. Nothing special. You can tell that it's already been knotted. But I thought maybe, I don't know if I want to put it here, in the middle, or on the bottom, making it look like Mickey has a bow tie on. So let me know what you guys think. Over the ear, in the middle, or on the bottom. And all I plan on doing from here is just gluing everything together. You can actually put a little bit of floral wire if you have it, and wire those ears together if it doesn't glue very well. But I think E6000 or even some hot glue will actually be very well or work very well on it. And then I'm just going to hang it from the center. So that's my quick little, and I think the whole thing maybe cost me $5. It's exactly what I was envisioning for that particular area in my entryway. It's going to be going in between two different shelves, and I'll show the final result of what that wall looks like on my Instagram. So follow me at Vicky's Tigger Tales. It's all one word on Instagram, and you'll see the final result. But that is my quick little DIY of this jute wired berry covered garland Mickey head wreath. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Where do you think I should put that bow? Middle, ear, or bottom? Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.